Hey there, welcome to Web Community. In today's video, we are going to see how can you access root in Kali Linux. First of all, you have to open your Kali Linux, and after that you have to open your terminal. After opening it, you have to type a command who am I. As you can see, now we are login as a Kali. To login as a root, you have to type a command sudo apt update. Then you have to type the password. In this case, my password is Kali. Then hit enter. It may take a time. Let's wait for it. I'm going to skip forward for a while because it may take a long time, as you can see. After this, you have to type another command sudo apt install Kali root login. Hit enter. As I have done it earlier, it's not showing as like this, that it may show to you. Then type sudo password, then hit the new password. As I have my earlier password, I'm not going to change it. And then after doing this, I think you may be done. Now you may can easily access root by typing sudo /i. Now you may can see I have login as a root user. Now we can use who am I, and you can see now I am using as a root. In starting I was using as a Kali. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye.